In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on metronome in Pro Tools. So you can of course do this on a track you already have, or you could go and create a new track. It's completely up to you. But really all you have to do is add a plugin. So I'm just going to use this track I have over here. And then you want to go to click on this button and enable inserts A to E. You could also go to view top left, edit window views, and then click on inserts A to E for them to show over here. Then you want to select an empty slot. I'm going to just pick this bottom one over here for our metronome. So I'm going to click on it, and then you want to go to plugin, and then from here you can see instrument, and you have click to. So click on that, and as you can see, there we go. Here we have our metronome. So if I go and of course change this, I can do that as well. I can go and of course change how it sounds, etc. And the BPM is going to be synced to whatever you can see up here up top right. So if you want to change it, you'll have to basically change that specific tempo up here top right. Now from here, if I go and now play this for you, you'll hear the metronome in the back. So if I play this like that, there we go, you can clearly hear the metronome in the back. So that's how to turn it on. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.